I've been at a low, made a post about imposter syndrome, but it's probably a combination of the imposter syndrome, burnout, but also that more showed me love, but like an ofeke. I failed to ito dike na nkome komelu mozo. Imana afyaka nazo. So maybe I was left a little high and dry. So sometimes I didn't feel like posting. But I had to do like Bukayo Saka and keep swinging crosses to that back post area for the full 90 minutes. Whether I was fatigued, tired to the bone or what, just keep mechanically churning out productivity, because that's what makes a man world class. That's why Mikel Arteta never takes him off. So it was good to run into this podcast episode that affirmed that you don't need confidence to perform. What you need is the basics. Mechanically turn the rotor when it refuses to run smoothly. Remember that I offer Dibia consultancy solutions, especially for the diaspora Igbos. Makana ndị nọ n'ụlọ n'ọlụ, ndị nọ na mba, ndị nọ na mba, nọdụlụ ndị nọ n'ụlọ. And also, remember that Holy Ezumezu is egwu mmụọ ka ọ bụ. Ọ na-epossess mmadụ. So, who doesn't want to be possessed?